Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the iPhone so recording works immediately. First, make sure iOS is updated to the current stable version, updates fix mic and permission bugs. Then add screen recording to Control Center via Settings Control Center plus Screen Recording. Finally, when you first open voice memos or start a screen recording, grant microphone access. This is essential so audio is captured. Once done, you're ready to launch the recorder from Home or Control Center and proceed to recording steps. You'll next perform the main recording using voice memos, which is the simplest built-in recorder. Open voice memos and tap the red record button, speak naturally toward the top microphone. Once you're done, tap stop. Use pause during long takes to save segments. To improve quality, use wired or Bluetooth headsets with a mic and test levels quickly before a long session. Once recorded, tap the item. Choose Edit Recording to trim or replace parts. This helps remove mistakes without redoing the whole take. You finish by using screen recording for app audio or combined video and voice. Swipe to open Control Center, long press the screen record icon and tap microphone on before starting, then record app interactions with your commentary. When finished, the video saves to photos where you can trim and share or move to files for backup. If you don't hear audio, check microphone permissions in Settings, confirm available storage, and make sure phone cases or Do Not Disturb aren't blocking input. These quick checks fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.